So hello friends, in this video tutorial of Power Query in Excel, we will learn about how to use group by in Power Query. So what is what is group by here in Power Query? Let's see. Like we have some data here which include your sales, products, price, units and sale. So like in Excel we have a formula for group by that is known as your group and ungroup or subtotal. So that same thing which we can do in your group by function in Power Query. It is basically for adding the sales of all Uttarakhand or all Maggi sales, or either Uttarakhand a particular product sales, Delhi particular product sales. So in that way we can use group by. So and beside that, like in Excel we have other formulas like sum if and your average if, count if, all this will be there. So now how we can use it? So we will go here in state and just go to data there, and from table range we will convert this into range. From table we will convert this into range, my table as a header, and press OK. Now our Power Query editor will open, and this Power Query editor we have a data here. So how we can do that? So in transform tab we have here a group by. So if we will click on that, so it will show basic and advanced. So first of all we will know about basic, how we can use in basic. So if you want to find out total of our, from here we can select states. So state wise we want total sales. What is the total sales? So he will give the name, new column name, a count row in we will say sum, and what we need to sum is sales, and just press OK. So now we have total sales of all the states. Like we have taken 4 states there, so it's taken the total sales of all the sums. But in companies we generally not do like this, so we use another way. So we'll just close this and we are back to our data. In company we will generally go to group by and we take advanced filter here, and in advanced form what we will do, we will go to states. Here I will take states only and add grouping. Like we will take here products, and here I will say if we want to total sales here, and here we will take say sum, or here I will take sales. Beside that, if you even want to know about the units also, how many units we have sold, so here we will take add another aggregate. Here we will take total units, we give a name here total units. In count we will say sum, on here we will say units. So we have taken a states, products and their units also, and then we will press OK. So after clicking OK, we have a data here which give us a total sales and total units. So both things are there. So how many numbers of units we have sold and how much number of product we have sold. So this is the information which we will get from group by function in Power Query. So it's easy way to find and find your required data. Thank you very much.